Hey kids, and welcome to day 3 of A Very Windows Christmas. So for day 3, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a casual installation and exploration of Windows 7, once again on a very legit disk. So yeah, and of course we're gonna do this on the $80 Toshiba Satellite. I mean, yeah. I swear to God, after this, I swear to God, day 4. I swear to God, in day 4, we're going to do something a little more original than this. Well, you know what? Who cares? We're going to pop the Windows 7 disk in. It's Windows 7 Ultimate 2. Meaning it only contains Ultimate. And we're going to turn on this bitch. Hell yeah. Alright, I accept the license terms. Of course, we want to do custom. Do that. Next. There we go. Commence the time lapse. Restart now. Okay. Now we are at the setup, and as you can see, we have full graphics drivers. See what I mean? See what I mean by, I think this laptop came with Windows 7. I typed Windows 7 by accident. I meant to type Tosh. That's, I don't know. 20% battery remaining. Yeah, I should really charge this up after I get to bed, or rather after I go upstairs. I'm gonna skip this. Ask me later. Next. There we go. Windows 7 on the $80 Toshiba Satellite. We already did this back in May, but it's great to finally do it again. And hey, would you look at this? We have full aero capabilities. Oh, isn't it glorious? Oh, I'm about to cream. I should not have said that, but yeah. So let's see what we got on here. Got Internet Explorer. We won't be able to navigate to any website, so. Windows. Actually, I'm pretty sure this is Internet Explorer 8. Yep, it says right there, Internet Explorer 8. Next. Yep. Use Express settings. Sure. There you go. Close all tabs. So we have Windows DVD Maker, Windows Fax and Scan, Windows Media Center. This should work. Like, we have the full graphics driver, so sure. Welcome to Windows Media Center. Oh boy. Continue. Express. Okay, extras, pictures and videos. Video library. What we got in here? Sample videos. Oh. Sure. Movies. Actually, no, don't do that. Record a TV. We got any TV clips on here? Landscapes. Play. I hope this doesn't get copyrighted. Oh, gee. Well, it definitely is video. Channel 7.7. Cool. Produced by Small World Production. I see. I get the name. Music library. Go away. Yeah, I mean, yeah. Mr. Scruff. Whoa. Yeah, there you go. I wonder if we could play any CDs. You could burn it, but I wonder if we can play anything. Okay, well, okay, that would have been really cool if you could, like, exit with backspace. Close, just don't shut it down, I swear. I wonder if we could play music, like, through a CD, or at least just play music in general. Hold on now. You know, people always ask me, oh, what's your favorite song? Is it Kalimba by Ninja... I almost said by Ninja Tune. By Mr. Scruff. Is it Thick of It by KSI? No, fuck you. It's Troubled Windows, bitch. Yes, the fabled OS Tan music video that isn't actually an OS Tan song. It's like, it's stolen from something. I don't know. Okay, let's go to Windows Media Center. I love that intro. Okay. Oh. Play music. Play music. Oh yeah, it works. Oh, you bet. Well, you get to see all that stuff in the background, yeah. Visualize. Still plays. That's great. It honestly sounds great on these speakers. Like, these speakers ain't too bad. Works. As you would expect it to. What else we got? Windows Media Player. Yeah, it's stupid. I just took a look at Windows Media Center. You're lasting for a lot here. Oh, you know what's the classic? The math input panel. Write math here. Oh, I definitely will. 9. Is that a Q? Does it detect it as a Q? 9. 9. Times. Can you change this to a times symbol? No, I guess we're going X. 9 times... Oh no. Well, that is an L. 9XL. Trying to write a 4. 4 equals 30. Why? I'm struggling here. 36. Well, I mean, that is correct math. Trust me, I don't know. What are you still doing down there? Yeah, I forgot it. It still runs in the background for some reason. Notepad. Oh yeah. Everybody loves Notepad, right? We could just type some stuff. Damn it. No. Paint. Oh yeah, everybody loves Paint. And this is the version that stuck around for so long. In fact, this is the very version of Paint I used on, like, Windows 10. You know, you remember old Windows Friends videos? I'm pretty sure 90% of the people watching this video won't get that reference, but... yeah. Yeah, I used to draw them with Paint. So allow me to try and, you know, make them if I can. Well, there you go. There's your Windows XP 7 logo. I don't know. Don't save it. Run. Again, they got run there. Again, still kind of weird. I wonder if they got microphone support. Hello? Hello? Until WMA, sure. Oh, this is a good look at Windows Media Player. Nothing. Okay, so, yeah, apparently my iPhone ran out of storage, even though I'm recording right now, and it's just fine. So, yeah, I don't know. I kind of wanted to explore it more, but I don't know. You want to try a Minesweeper? I don't know. Expect this, you can expect this to kind of end abruptly. Alright, so my iPhone apparently ran out of storage, and my battery's only at 6%, so, yeah, I'm gonna have to wrap up here. Anyway, see you on day 4, where we'll take a look at Windows Whistler build 2419. Yeah, there's a reason I'm talking so fast. Anyways, bye!